guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna do something real quick, real simple. I want to give a look to the girls who just want basically a regular beat, nothing crazy. I seen this look on MUA Jaden's Instagram. I believe she's just an Atlanta celebrity makeup artist, and yeah, she did this look on Ari, and I thought that look was really pretty, so I'm just gonna recreate the look. Something you girls can follow along, not too much on the eyeshadow. So let's get started. MAC Studio Moisture Cream. Kosas Brow Pencil. Born This Way Butterscotch. Top Major Dimension. The black eyeliner from the Major Dimension 3 palette. which these are basically the same colors, but this is like everything, so I have to use it. Born This Way Golden Beige. Fancy Rose Latte. One Size powder. Sephora Ebony powder. ABH Mahogany. Sweet Brown Marina Beauty. Remedy by Ari. Baby Girl. This is It Girl from Remedy by Ari. We're all done. The lips I used was just Remedy by Ari It Girl and Buxom Lip Gloss in Hot Toddy. They're basically the same color. One is just a little bit more opaque than the other, and this one is like a little lighter, so that's why I wanted to leave it in the center. Yeah, we are totally done. That is my take on the look. I hope you girls enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below what kind of videos you want to see from me. And yeah, see you in the next one. Later.